If you're exhausted running behind getting more attendees for your WhatsApp class, webinars, or workshops, you're doing it all wrong. You did not start this business to fight the increasing ad cost or to get very low student success rate or to barely sustain this business. Okay, you started this coaching business because you wanted to help people with what you know. You want to create an impact, you wanted to have greater income, and at the same time a life where you feel productive and fulfilled. This is not possible without understanding the economy of this business, and this is only possible when you know the unspoken struggles that people go through right now in this industry. Let me share that with you right now. Disclaimer: the calculation shown in the next few slides is for the following ideal scenario. This person is good at making videos, writes great copies, creates eye catchy designs, good with automation tools, not much competition in their niche yet, or hired an agency to do the same thing with a huge retainer. Okay, let's say you're doing a WhatsApp class or workshop funnel. Okay, let's say you're doing running the ads on your own, you're able to get 100 people into your WhatsApp class for a 499 rupee, and you're selling to 15 people. That's a total of 1.24 lakhs to 5 lakhs, and that's in your bank account. You feel so happy, but there comes the expenses where 18% is GST, and you'll have to set aside at least 12% for your income tax, which again is an expense. And tools, you'll have to spend 10, 15, 20,000. Okay. On Facebook ads, again the cost per conversion is 499. For a 499 rupee product right now, you're not profitable in the front end, and 100 conversions after all the expenses, you're left with 22,000. That too, after doing 4 weeks of WhatsApp class and getting 15 conversions, just 22,000. It feels like, insane. Okay. And this is what people are going through right now. Okay. When you hire an agency, same scenario, WhatsApp class or workshop, let's say they're getting 3 times more people, and agency cost added over here, you get 62,000 in your bank account again after doing all those things that you have to do. Okay. And this is webinar or workshop funnel, which you're doing a free. If you're doing it on your own, okay, you're able to get 500 people in and 150 people attend. The backend offer is 4,999, and you're getting somewhere around 1.2 lakhs. Okay, after all the expenses, you're left with 30,000-40,000. And this is a scenario with an agency. Okay, so webinar or workshop funnel, again, 1,500 people, they're able to get 3 times more, and you have somewhere around 3.4 lakhs of revenue. After all the expenses, you're left with 1 lakh, 1.2 lakhs or something like that, right? So let's consider the rise in ad cost, which is happening right now. And in Jan of 2020, it was $8, and in December of 2020, it was $16. Okay, so the ad cost is continuously rising. But what happens? Let's not consider 100% raise. Let's consider a 30% raise. Okay, instead of 499, let's do 650. Okay, you're left with 17,000 when you do WhatsApp class or workshops. Okay, and 50 instead of 50 rupees per conversion for your webinar or free workshop, you do 65. Okay, you're left with 88,000, which is insane, because you feel you're stuck with increasing ad cost, high competition, low ROI, exhausted trying different funnels, low student success rate, less freedom, less focus on your own health, less time for your family as well. Creating and selling L1, L2 becomes a pain right now because you feel you're stuck, you're not able to do anything else. And some people don't have the confidence to charge price for their products 15,000, 20,000 or above to upsell and get more profits out of each and every customer that they get in. Okay, the current situation looks like this. They have a lot of support queries, low student success rate, very low profits, so sometimes loss, and busy schedule as well. Some people they just keep trying, and some people quit. Okay, this is the scenario of most of the coaches right now. Do you relate to this as well? Okay, if so, you're not alone. I really want to solve this problem. So what if instead of going through all these complicated funnel steps to run a profitable business, I help you create a simple 3-step high ticket funnel that can get you both great student results and better profits as well. Okay, let's do the math for high ticket offers. Let's say I help you sell a 30,000 rupee offer. Okay, and you have 100 leads registrations, and you sell to 10 people. Okay, and because it's just 10 people, you have a lot less support queries. You have control over your time. Business is not sucking away all the time that you have. Okay, and the qualified lead cost is somewhere around 500, and after all the expenses you're left with 1.45 lakhs. Okay, let's say I help you sell a 50,000 rupee offer. Same thing, 200 leads right now. Let's say you're making 15 conversions. You're left with 4.1 lakhs after all the expenses. Let's say I help you sell 75,000 rupee per offer. Okay, which we have done. Okay, and let's say we are getting 300 leads, 20 leads convert out of them, and the ROI is 8.85 lakhs in your account after all the expenses. Okay, so what happens when the ad cost rises not by 30% but by 100%? Okay, instead of 500 it's 1,000 bucks. You're spending 1.5 lakhs more on ads, but you're still left with 7.35 lakhs in your account. Okay, so this is the 3-step high ticket funnel. It's an ad. From an ad they see a pre-recorded value sales video. Okay, from there if they feel, they get on a call. So this should be persuasive, which I'll be helping you with, and you get on a call with them, and there, that is where sale happens. Okay, so we had to test it out as well. We started testing out in different industries, and this was the average cost per qualified lead. As you can see here, per website application is quite long, and if they are doing it, they are qualified. Okay, and 5x ROI after all the expenses. That was not the best part. We had less support queries, amazing student results, out of the roof profits, and a productive schedule as well, right? The only thing that you need right now to sell high ticket offers is to sell high ticket offers. Okay, see what the best people in the industry are doing. Okay, they are not stopping with selling just only one offer. It helps their students, but also to increase the revenue per customer, and that is how any successful business works. Okay, so they sell level 2, level 3, level 4, and I personally know people who sell offers for 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs, 5 lakhs per client in this course and coaching industry in India. Okay, my mentor sold an offer for 5 lakhs over a Zoom meet, and 27 people bought it. Okay, for your information, that's 27 into 5 lakhs, 1.35 crores on a 2-3 hour Zoom meet. Okay, it doesn't mean I'm against WhatsApp classes or workshops or webinars. In fact, you should do it once you're profitable. Okay, in fact, I'm convinced that selling high ticket offers in the front end is far better than selling low ticket offers, fighting with the ad cost and doing a lot of work and getting nothing in return. Instead of that, I'm very convinced with high ticket model. Okay, I want my clients to get great profits quicker as well, right? So I'm not saying you don't have to work hard with a lot less suffering and sacrifices. And if you ask me how to scale this model, we can scale with any model we want once we are profitable. Are we profitable right now? Are you profitable right now? That's the question that you'll have to ask. Okay, if not, sell high ticket offers. Okay, and by selling high ticket offers, you can make great impact, great income, have better freedom than before. Okay, can you sell high ticket offers? You can definitely sell high ticket offers. Okay, when you know your niche, when you know what problems that they have right now, and you're confident that you can get them results. I'm very confident that I can get you results as well, right? If you resonate with what I just said, if you want me to create your high ticket offer, build the funnel and optimize the whole thing for you, click the button below and book a call with me. Okay, if we both feel we are a good fit, let's work together. Okay, once you book the call, you'll get a short training on how exactly we sell high ticket offers. Don't miss that part, and looking forward to talk to you. Bye bye.